Now let us discuss about the concrete mix, right? I told you that concrete mix is of two types. First one is the nominal design mix and the second one is the mixed design, right? Now I have told you that you must have seen M20, M30, M40, etc. and so on. So what is this M? M is the mixed design. Now let us first of all understand that what is the difference between the nominal design and the mixed design, right? Now listen to me very carefully. Now nominal design is basically based on your site experience. For example, when I was in site, I have worked around for 1 year in site, right? So we used to say that for this concrete mix five bags. For this concrete mix 12 coarse aggregates and 15 fine aggregates, something like that, right? So basically nominal design is, there is no such you can say that predefined mixture for that. That is based on experience at site, right? Experience of the exposure conditions, experience of the project manager, right? So it is based on the experience. So for nominal design, it is already decided by the project manager, right? It is based on the experience at sites. Okay. Now second thing is the mixed design. This is important. The mixed design, right? So what we do is that, for example, you want to change some, you are not satisfied with the nominal design, right? At that time what you will do, you will design a concrete as per your requirements. For example, the coastal area is very near to the construction site, so at that time you will design your concrete by yourself. The void should be much more smaller as compared to the nominal design, so it depends on you. Now changing the ratio, by changing the ratio of fine aggregates, coarse aggregates and cement, you can design the mixed design, right, of concrete. Now the one more important aspect is that it can be changed as per our requirements. It depends on our requirements, okay? And the IS code which is specified for the mixed design is, this is important, it was asked few years back in some examination, it was a theoretical question. It is IS 10262 2009, right? So this is also important. So you must, now you have understood the difference between nominal design and mixed design. A lot of students, they are mostly confused between nominal design and mixed design. So nominal design, it is predefined by the project engineer based on his experience, but mixed design, you can change it. Okay. Now the next topic is, now we'll be discussing about the mixed design. What is M20, what is M30, what is M40? So let us discuss this, because this part will be very important in solving a lot of numericals. Okay, what is this 20, what is this 30, what is this 40? It is actually the characteristic strength. Now what is characteristic strength? Let us discuss, right? And one more thing is also very important. The mixed design M20, M30 and M40, questions which is regularly asked is that what is the minimum grade of concrete which can be used in RCC structures? Do you have the answer? I know a lot of you have, right? The minimum grade of concrete which can be used, which should be used for RCC structures is M20. This question has been asked many times. Okay, so you should remember, even if someone asks you in interview, right, that what is the minimum grade of concrete for RCC, it is M20, simple. Okay, so this is the minimum grade of concrete. Now concrete M20, M30, M40, now it has been characterized, it has been grouped, right? So first one is ordinary concrete. Ordinary concrete. Let me change the marker. Second one is standard concrete. Standard concrete. And the third one is high strength concrete. High strength concrete. Okay. So the first one is ordinary concrete. First one is ordinary concrete. The second one is standard concrete. And the third one is high strength concrete. Ordinary concrete, it is M10 to M20. Standard concrete is M25 to M55. M55. And high strength grade concrete is M 60 greater than or equal to M60. So this question has also been asked in many examinations. That M20 grade of concrete is number 1 ordinary, number 2 standard, number 3 high strength, number 4 none of these, right? So the answer is ordinary concrete. Similarly, M25, M60, basically they are asking questions about the boundary things. For example, if it gives you M60 is a type of number 1 ordinary, number 2 standard, number 3 high strength, number 4 none of these, right? So at that time people will get confused because M60 is a boundary, so M60 is high strength, not all standard, right? Similarly M55, similarly M20, similarly M10. So that's the thing. Okay, so now you have understood the classification of concrete based on ordinary, standard and high strength concrete. Okay, now let us discuss, which I was telling you, what is M40, what is M30, what is M20. M you have already known, it is mixed design. Now what is this 20? 20 is the characteristic strength. It is denoted by FCK. In IS code it has been denoted by FCK. In some books it is also denoted by sigma CK. So now what is this? Now let us understand.